Oh, we don't have much time left. Does anyone have any idea how much time we do have? Let me confirm quickly a couple rumors with you.
Yeah.
It's whatever.
Looking forward to a 20 in my pocket, cause I ain't got a motherfucking cent up in my wallet. So put my shit on blast until they felt them sing me out, until I can finally say it's more like Benny and the Rockets. Yeah, he said every superhero need his theme music, but we just do it so everybody can scream to it, lean to it, scheme to it, unbutton they jeans to it, so they feel they good cause a couple youngins they seen do it. Dream stupid, find you a beat and open your mind. I mean, you could always roll letters up in the line, because the past and the bullshit looks way better from behind the line of sanity. Sometimes the vanity ain't all the rhymes and the whips. They say he's fine but he's bent, cause I ain't roll around with nines in a clip. What are you high on the shit? Put me on trial and I'll provide you all the evidence that got your girl a clutch, because that bitch is steady riding my stick.
I think the basic thing nobody asks is, why do people take